How to download GTA San Andreas on PC or laptop. So if you want to download GTA San Andreas on your PC or your laptop, then first you just need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with my Chrome browser. Now you need to simply go with search, and under search you need to search for GTA San Andreas. Make sure that you're connected to your internet connection. Once you search, you will get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll down and you will have two options. One is Rockstar Games and the other one is Steam. So you can simply choose any of these options. I'll just simply go with Rockstar Games. But if this is not available in your region, then you can go with Steam. And now you will have buy now option right here. So you just need to simply go with buy now. Now again, you need to click on buy now on your PC, which is here on the left side. And it will take you to the sign in page. So make sure to sign into your account. And after that, you need to verify your age. Once you've signed in and verified, it will take you to your payment method, where you just need to simply select your payment method like PayPal, GPay, credit or debit cards, and everything. And then you need to pay for the game. Once you pay, then you will have the download option. That's how you can download your GTA San Andreas on PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.